Hello YouTube. So here's the end product of my computer that I promised I would post. So I received the power, the Silverstone Raven 01, where I installed all of my parts. Here, if we can take the top off. I have replaced the fan on top of the case to put an LED fan. See? The side plate goes off. And there we have the inside of the computer. There's not much you can see, just 2 seconds. So as I said, here's the Corsair H60 installed, cooling my CPU. The 960 at 3.5 gigahertz. Right there we have the Corsair Vengeance RAM DDR3. Here we have got the EVGA X58, the HD version with a fully HDMI port at the back. There we have the temperature readings of the computer, which is 24 degrees right there. Here we have the power supply right there, and we have hard drive in there, which you can't really see much, and there's also an SSD in there right there. You can probably see a little bit. I have the G15 from Logitech gaming keyboard, 22-inch monitor with a wireless headset for anything like gaming, Skyping or whatever, and the Logitech camera, which works great. Here we have the front of the computer. I have only installed the OEM drive, nothing else so far, but I think it looks pretty clean this way, and I wouldn't really change much of it. The Logitech X58 mouse. Well, here I have all my little stupid things that I have in my desk. My 500 gigabyte external hard drive with about 450 movies. And there we have my iPhone and the little cloth to clean the screen or the top of the computer. Here at the top we have the power and reset button, and we have right in here, if you open it, right there, we have 2 USB and the headphone and microphone jacks and the firewire right there. At the back we have 2, 4, 6, 8 USB 2.0s with 2 USB 3.0, and we have 2 plugs for internet, the Ethernet cable, and well, I have also the audio cables that I've been using there. On this other side, can't really see much, but I can take off the thing as well. Not much cable management for this case. Let me get a real light on this side and you'll be able to see much better. There we go. Not much cable management, as there's not many holes for the cables to go through, mainly for the cables that go to the back of the motherboard, where these holes right here don't help for any cable management, as they don't fit anything. And yeah, that's about it. Please just comment and subscribe or whatever, and I will put the specifications of the computer in the description below. Thank you. Bye.